welcome to my page. It's Bobby here. Have you always wanted to do a quick totals and you got stuck at the point because you've realized the sum function we learned in the previous video actually has 3 variances? Well, let me explain the differences and why we have 3, not just 1, because all these 3 are useful in their own way. Let us dive straight right in. To get the total of all this, we can just say is equal to sum. We highlight the range, close bracket is equal to the answer is here. Alternatively, you can just use a quick tip here. Click below, you have an auto sum here. Make sure you are on the home tab, press it. It does the job easily, just enter, it's there. SUMIF. SUMIF is a conditional sum. It means you wanted to know the total of a particular item. For example, if I want to know how much we have paid to sales department, that is where I need to use SUMIF. So I just click here, it's equal to, write the formula, SUMIF, open bracket, highlight the range, the criteria, sales. Now the sum range, close bracket, press the enter. The total bonuses that were paid to the sales department add up to 3750 manually. First example in addition. So that is the same thing you can do for the rest. I can change the sales to HR. Now see the magic, use the SUMIF for a single criteria. What if we still wanted to know the amount of bonuses that we paid to this HR department, but for people living in the West only? In this case, HR is having West, is having East, is having North. So if you want to know for West only, SUMIFS. 2 or more criteria or multiple criteria. Click here is equal to SUMIFS, open bracket, the sum range. This is the sum range, the criteria range, criteria 1, that is HR, comma, criteria 2. So this is criteria 2 range, criteria 2. I wanted to know how much is paid to people in the West only, right? West. Now West for HR is 800 plus 850. When you sum them up, it should be 1650. That is the main difference between these 3. The sum is to know the total of everything here. SUMIF to know the total of specific departments without considering their region. SUMIFS take into consideration how much bonus is paid to somebody in their department which is from a specific region. So if you like videos like this, like and subscribe, follow for more. I'll see you in the next one.